Skylar, what are we doing today?
We are gonna do a baking soda experiment.
Okay, so we have some vinegar in here. We put some baking soda in a napkin. So we're gonna put it in here. All right,
Yeah, that's all you
all
have
right, don't
to
drop
do.
it yet. Don't drop it yet. So hold on to it. And
Close it.
Yeah. But
It's stuck here.
it's okay. Just hold on to it there. Hold on to it there. So we can close it good.
Please don't let me let go. Ah, I'm about to let go. Yay.
Okay, you can let it go now. Let's see what happens. I wonder what's gonna happen. Do you hear anything?
Yeah. To you?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's fizzing.
Oh my goodness.
That's fizzing.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
fizzing. Why does it ever explode?
Oh my goodness.
Is it ever gonna explode? Maybe we have to shake it more.
I guess you could try shaking it more. I hear something though.
It sounds like a snake. Does it?
I don't. Yeah, a little bit.
Maybe
Oh.
let's shake it more.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Is it about to explode?
I don't know.
Look what's happening. It's totally eating. Looks like an eating species. I think it's not working.
Well, sometimes in experiments, there's success and there's failure, right?
Yeah.
But I hear
This is a
something.
failure.
I hear something.
Did you hear a pop?
Not yet.
Whoa, it's getting spangly. Now you look, Mom. I think
Okay, so leave it there. It's gonna pop soon.
you can tell by the bag,
Yeah.
right? How the bag is formed.
Yeah, it's getting.
If it's sticking upward, that means it's about to pop. But if it's still facing downward, then that means it's not even gonna pop.
You think it's gonna pop or no?
No. I think. I can't decide. I can't decide yes or no.
Let's see how the bag is going.
You could just also feel.
Let's see. It's feeling harder.
It's feeling hard to pop.
Like the bag feels like it has more bubbles. I mean, more air.
Huh?
The bag feels like it has more air.
Yeah.
I think you should let it go. It's about to pop.
I'll let it
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.